Hi everyone. For those who are new, I am Varuni Mahajan from Firefly Blinks and I have a jewelry e-studio called Varuni's Firefly Blinks, which I run through my Facebook page and Instagram, and this is my YouTube channel. If you like the content today I am posting, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Coming to the topic today I'm going to be showing you how I converted a pretty earring into a beautiful mangtika. Also, if you stay with me by the end of this video, I'm going to be telling you the tips on buying kundan jewelry. We all want to buy kundan nowadays because it is the in thing, it is the jewelry of the day, of the time. But do we know how to buy kundan? Do we really know how to look for a good quality artificial kundan when we are buying kundans? I'm going to be telling you how to look for a very good quality of kundan when you are buying kundan jewelry, either online or through a shop. So stay with me and enjoy the video. We will be needing a pair of earrings, a beaded chain, some jump rings, some beads which we want to attach to the earrings at the bottom, jump rings, beads, and the pliers, a cutter. So let's start. Coming with this earring, now we need to detach all these elements like the top of the earring, the part where you screw to the ear, and the hangings at the bottom. After we remove this, I'm going to show you how to attach the other parts. So now the earring has been removed. Now we need to remove these three accents which are hanging down from the earring. After these are removed, I will be attaching the string, the beaded string which I showed at the starting of the video. After cutting the desired string for the mangtika, I place all my things together and see how I need to attach everything together for the final look. I have all these things placed here. The string is already attached. Now I will use these to attach the beads. These are the fused wires which I need to attach the beads to the mangtika. After these are attached, I will attach some laurels in between. Laurels are the little white beads which are kept at the top of the table. After I finish with this, I will attach the hook for the final look. After the hook is fixed, the mangtika looks something like this. We have the desired length of the string and all the beads and the accents hanging from down below. It's very easy to make a mangtika from an earring. So yeah, let me display and show it to you how to buy kundans. I have here 3 kind of sets which I wanted you to see, and notice that when you're buying kundans, you will get a variety of kundans in the market. This is one of the most premium, one of the most best quality available in the market. This is an average quality, and this is the cheapest quality. There are more cheaper qualities, which you can find for 100, 250 or a 300 for a set, though I'll show you the difference in all of these. So starting with the cheapest, in the cheapest kundan, these look very pretty. As you can see, the earrings are quite pretty, they have a good shine, but the difference here is, what makes it cheap is that this earring is molded. It is not basically a kundan, it is a pasted kundan. It is basically a sticker which is stuck on a mold of jewelry which is made, and there are no boxes and nothing at the back. It is just a normal piece of metal which is molded into a shape, and then they stick these kind of stickers which look like kundan. I'm not saying this is a bad piece of jewelry or you don't buy this kind of jewelry, but I want you to see, and I wanted you to show the difference between this and a very good quality of kundan. You will find this very easily in any kind of market, as these are very cheap, and they are handy. If you are looking for something which is very cheap, then this is the best buy. So now the second kind of kundan is also not very common, but if you are paying for that kind of money, you should see what you're buying. This is a necklace which I just did for you all. It was made for somebody who is very close to me, and the only difference between this and this is the quality of the metal used. Now here I will show you, when you're buying a good quality of kundan, you will always find meenakari at the back. Kundans are basically made this way. As you can see, this whole line of kundan has different pieces of kundans which are attached with links. When you're buying kundans, these links should be noticed. If the links are real, and if there is a link here, there are no links here because it is a molded piece. There is no box. It is just a metallic structure on which the kundans are pasted. But here there is a box, there is a meenakari at the back, and the kundans are good quality. But these are not as good as the ones I am going to show you just now. As you can see, this is a very pretty set. Now these have special kind of kundans which are silver formed. It has this kundan is made in such a way that the stone which is stuck on this kundan is spectacular. You can see the difference between this and this. This is not a cut work kundan. The kundan which is used here is not carved, but the kundans which are used here are carved, and they give a gleam when you move around in the light. And this gleam comes because the kundans have a silver foil at the back. When they are stuck to the box, these kundans have a silver foil at the back. The price of this kundans goes very high, and this set could cost around 4 to 5,000. This set, which is a 3-layered set, would be around 3600, and this could be very cheap. Around a pair of earrings like this could be around 350 or 250 in the market. So when you're buying kundans, when you're buying good quality kundans as these, always look for a good meenakari at the back. Look for the shape, the box shape, the green meena like this, which is all around the kundan. If the kundan has these many kundans, if the piece of the kundan has these many kundans, the price will go high. The bigger the kundan, the price is the higher. So that is what I wanted you to know. This is all for now. I will see you again in the next video and show you the different types of kundans. This was to show you how to buy kundans, but in the next video I am going to show you the different kinds of kundan available in the market. There are various kinds of kundan available. There are various varieties of kundans available. So I will be showing you the different varieties of kundan.